Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving, and let's get to it. So I got this little multifunctional kit for diamond painting, because I thought that I needed something in it, and, you know, of course I couldn't just get one thing. So this was $3.13, and let me just dump everything out of there. This is to put your diamonds on, and then you have these little, we have an escapee, hang on, little things that are stops for your diamonds. So when you get ready to pour them out, you just take the little stopper out. So I'm not real clear on how they go. Well, let's go this way. It worked a lot better. Okay, now we're clear. Learning curve. God, I hate mechanical things. Seriously? You went in there just perfect the first time. There you go. So, yeah. You just take it out. And, okay. And pour your diamonds, but I don't know. Unless I have a, like, dagnabbit. Just gotta go straight in with that sucker. Like a special drill, would I ever put these in there? Because I'm too long term. Oh well, screw it. You get the point. Oh, now it's gonna bug the crap out of me until I get them there. Okay, okay. This way you're gonna play. It's not too bad once you get the hang of it. Never been mechanically inclined ever. It's like, okay, I can take anything apart. Anything, as long as it doesn't ever have to go back together. I just wanted to put them in there so they wouldn't get lost. But, oh no, they got to fight me the whole way. There we go. But anyway, it does also come with a little brush. And I found this really useful. Oh, this does have little grooves in it, by the way. Do you see them? And when you use this brush, any debris like from wax or dust from the drills, it comes right out. So that is going to be useful. Yeah, I forgot one over there. And these two, did you see that? It's all in one. It's kind of like one of them Swiffer ends. Okay, so you can get a little, or you can get a little bit more. And then when you're done, you just snap it, and they just, doesn't work real good either. But we're talking $3.15. But the purpose of buying this thing was for a smaller thing to get my diamonds out. You know that I was having, hang on, I'm reaching, problems with this crazy box that I had to have. But that way I can just scoop my diamonds out, put them in there, like so. It's going to work fantabulous. So I'll just, it doesn't want to snap back the way it started, but I guess that's as far as it goes. And it'll fit right in there. And I can put the little brush in there to use on my I don't have one right here. I know, it's scary but true. You know, my tray. Because every once in a while my tray gets wax, debris, and crap on it. So I have a big, here. This is my bigger version of that. And I use this to brush off the actual diamond painting. Yeah, it works awesome. So we'll just put those two things in there. And we'll know right where they're at. But get that damn thing snapped down. But yeah. That's what I got that for. So, yeah, and we're going to have to get this little puppy in there. There we go. But yeah, they all go in there. They don't want to go in there, but they're in there well enough. So I'll just save this for, and you can hang it up because I had a little hoop. And that way you know where it's at. But I wouldn't hang it up while you got the diamonds in there because it'd be a real mess. But I will save it for special drills. Because usually they only have like a few amount of drills to it. $3.12, people. You can have the aggravation too. Just kidding. Because my theory is, really why I don't want to have to use this is because if you hit the edge of that and you go like that, what's to stop at the top from flipping out all your diamonds? So I am not investing in putting all the diamonds in there. Special drills are easier to sort than regular drills. Just saying. Speaking for a friend. Okay, on with it. Now we have cross stitch. So I thought this was cute. It's a Joy Sunday wannabe. It is pre-printed. It's not a counted, thank goodness. And it was $3.99. It's in a Joy Sunday baggish with great instructions on the back. Reusable bag. It's awesome. And it is, did I say fortune count? Hang on, we'll get it out of the bag. Let me flip it over. It is 19 by 22, so I knew it wasn't very big. It does have some back stitching here and there, but I just thought that was a pretty little cupcake. I don't know that I want to do all that back stitch around the edge of that cupcake, though. But, you know, it is what it is. This has 30 colors. It has back stitch, half, a 3/4 stitch, French knot, and full stitch. I am not your French knot girl. I don't do it well. I can do it, but not well. Yeah, I haven't done French knots because I used to do a lot in embroidery, but now I'm like so out of practice, it's pathetic. So nice big pattern. It will not match your canvas as far as I know. Let's look. Let me see. Where'd it go? And of course they put everything in here, and about the only thing that's really big and easy to read are the regular colors. There. I have to turn it upside down, get a magnifying glass. I know the round symbol is your French knot, and these flat lines are the back stitch. And what did it say that was? Oh, a 3/4 stitch. Okay. Not real sure where I'm going to use that, but whatever. So, yeah, I just thought it was kind of cute, and I got it, like, for Valentine's Day, but, you know, the whole mail thing. You remember that, right? Yeah. So, but I didn't get it to particularly do, I don't know. I bought stuff for Christmas, and we had all the Christmas kits. Then, here comes Valentine's Day. So I figured I might as well at least get one, Valentine-oriented cross-stitch to mark Valentine's Day. Alright, so it comes with 2 needles, and it comes with one of these thread cards where the red numbers, let me pull you in, the red numbers are how many strands you have. The next number, which is like a either dark blue or a black, these are your DMC numbers, and then the number on the bottom is your thread card number. So, yeah. But very pretty colors, and there's not too many of them. So, yeah. Very nice. Very nice indeed. But this didn't look too complicated or too terribly hard at all. I don't know if you were an avid stitcher, which I'm so not. Yeah. Oh, I see where them 3/4 stitches are going to go. I don't get it, but okay. Strange. You could probably get this done on the weekend and then backstitch it. For me, it'd be backstitching for the next 6, but I just don't like backstitching. Let me see how big it is. It does have the product numbers that were on the front page, and it says Love Cake on it. And it is serged all the way around. And it is 22.5 by 18. So what did it say? 19 by 22. Alright. Actual picture size is a 7 inch or 17.5 by 5 and almost 5 1/4, we'll call it, or 13.5. So not too big. It's a nice, cute little thing. I just thought it was cute. I don't know. I don't like the pinks and all that. So, excuse me. Oh yeah, yesterday was a day. Oh God, I hope you saw all that because, yeah, very nicely printed. Except for all these symbols, but the symbols won't match, but you can match the number. You can read the numbers right along here. But beyond that, not too much. Yeah, it's awfully small. Alright, on to the last one. Get it out of its bag A. It's 40 by 50. Oh gosh, sorry about the crinkles. This is a kind of a cactus flower, but I just thought it was really pretty. Very, very nice. The picture isn't too great, but it's not too bad. I'm scared to death to say I'll put a picture here because it may or may not load from my phone. Yeah, it's pain, so I have to get everything in one shot. Let's open this up. Oh, very nice, big pattern. Huge. Ginormous. And it's a partial. You do not do the background. It does have instructions over here. Let me fold it in half to make it more manageable. There are 30 colors in this. No 310. No 939. No 823. No 3771. We have 3772, which is another shade of brown. And B5200 is the white. So, yay. But very easy to read pattern. This one's huge. Good job, guys. You guys are getting better here. You're getting better. It does come with a sort of toolkit. It's like, well, we didn't have any of these pretty bags, so we'll just put it in a Ziploc bag for you. Same principle. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. We'll put that over there. I keep these by the side of my thing in case for some reason I don't have a needle. Let's take a look at the colors. If I can figure out how to get in the bag. Come on, which way go? Okay. Pretty colors. All right. Hang on. We're going to give it a shake. They're kind of muted colors. There are a little bit darker colors here and there. There's your B5200. So you don't have too much of it. But the rest of them are kind of muted except for that one. Not sure where all that's going to go. But yeah, really pretty colors. So I just like the whole peach repertoire. Very nice. Soft, beautiful threads. Love that green. They all meld well together. It's like several shades of peach. Except for these two. Oh, no, this one. That's one, but it's all wrapped around. Let's take a look at the canvas. That's a lot bigger than I gave it credit for. Hang on, it's all kind of stiffety. So yeah, and everything is, we're concentrated right here. It is serged all the way around, and it's upside down. So sorry. Let's try again. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Your paper pattern will match the canvas on this one. Let's see how big the canvas is. It is 49.5 by 39.5 or 15.5 inches that way. Actual picture size is 17 inches or 43 centimeters by, and it goes pretty much tip to tip in this square, 33 centimeters or 13 inches. So very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very well printed, very easy to see. But it wouldn't take you too long, and it doesn't look horribly confettied anywhere. You know, you have your big areas and everything. And this was, hang on, $9.51. I had to read between my lines there. But yeah, I just thought this was a lovely little picture. So, not too hard. Yeah. And it's, like I said, you might want to put some back stitching in it. I don't know, I'd have to see it all done. But it's a lot bigger. It's kind of like the pandas. I really wasn't expecting them pandas to be quite that big. You know, in my brain, 40 by 50 means 11 by 14. I don't. But no, not at this point. No. I guess it would fit an 11 by 14 for, I don't know. What did I say that was? I think it's 15 across, isn't it? After I said all that. Nope, it would fit an 11 by 14 because, yep. It will, but I don't know. It doesn't seem real big. This would be easy to stitch on. This would be in front of the TV stitching, you know, because you got big areas. Okay, do the yellow. Okay, do the red. Do the orange. Because as you can see, it's not real confetti, except maybe in the middle a little bit. So it's got 30 colors, but it does seem to be distributed quite well. Very nice. Like it. Love it. Now, OneDaySaving has free shipping on orders over $50. They have diamond painting, paint by number, cross stitch. They do custom in all three. They also have some beaded cross stitch, and they have tools and crafts for all three, the diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And if they have any specials or sales, I'll put that in the description box below. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for all the beautiful products this week and last week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.